ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर आतां एक बूक लॉन्च केलो, किल बिल म्हणलोलो. It is about spellings, न्ही? Books on spelling in Marathi. But I don't know, is it a government book or it is a private book? Government or private to? Kill Bill, आतां release केल्लो तो. With the government. तें पळोवपाक जाय आसलें. हांव जाणा तुमी पळयलें जाल्यार. One for the Honorable Speaker, one for the Honorable Chief Minister. I think some proofreading मातशें करूंक पडटा before you release it. It is supposed to be in Marathi, I think. I guess it's in Marathi. Just pass that copy. Tinga spelling of Marathi only is wrong. Martha hi म्हणला थिंगा. तुवें चोयला? तो फोटो तुमी घायलो तो हांवें काडला आनी प्रिंट केला. If a book on spellings is going to have on its cover a misspelling, I think you better